we are going to study about energy. This topic is included in the chapter Work and Energy in Science, grade 9. Any object that has the capability to do work is said to have energy. The object which does the work will lose energy, and the object on which work is done will gain energy. Any object that has energy can exert a force on any other object. Suppose we have two objects. The first object has energy and it is exerting a force on the second object. So the first object will lose energy. Energy from the first object will get transferred to the second object, and the second object will gain energy, and it may move because of the energy that it has got from the first object. So the second object can do some work now because it has energy. This means that the first object had a capacity to do work, and we can say that any object that has energy can do work. Let us study some examples. When we have a cricket ball and we hit it on a stationary wicket, the cricket ball had some energy because it was moving, and it transfers its energy to the stationary wicket. The wicket gets energy and it is thrown away. Suppose we take an object and we raise it to a certain height. Because we have raised it to a height, it acquires energy and hence has the capability to do work. Suppose we want to drive a nail into a piece of wood. So we will hit it with a hammer. We will raise the hammer and hit it hard on the nail. And the hammer has energy. Energy from the hammer gets transferred to the nail, and now the nail can pierce into the wood because of the energy that it has got from the hammer. We have also seen many toys which have key, and when the key is winded, the toy gets energy. Suppose we stop winding the key and place the toy down, the toy will start moving. This happens because when we wind the key, the toy gets energy, and because of that energy, it starts moving. If we take a balloon which is filled with air and we press it, we just press it gently, we can see that the balloon gets distorted at the place where we press it. Suppose we stop pressing it, the balloon will get back to its original shape. If we press the balloon very hard, the balloon can even explode with a loud sound. So here the balloon gets energy and it can also perform work. Work over here will be the getting back to the original shape or the exploding. That means in all these cases, the objects have acquired energy, and all of these objects had the capability of doing work. Thank you.